Welcome back to Yummies with Yoda. If this is your first time here, welcome. So happy to have you here. If you haven't done this already, please gently al dente the like button and ring that bell notification to be informed about great upcoming new stuff that we're doing. Very exciting. We make cooking an adventure right there at home. Now, today we're answering a viewer question. They were asking about the baking soda for the steak. So I'm just going to give a small demo and from finish to end, dress the plate and let you see. Let's get started. But hey, don't go anywhere. We're going to be back in 5 seconds. Welcome back. As you can see, we've got 2 T-bone steaks here, and we've already prepared it previously with our baking soda, and instead of just straight vinegar, I also used liquid smoke. What the baking soda does is actually alkalinize the meat, and it locks in the moisture so that when it's cooking, it doesn't get tough and rubbery. Also, the same thing goes for the vinegar. It keeps a portion of the meat, I'm not really good at science, but or biology, but it keeps a portion of the meat from solidifying where it again is tender. So now let's go cook our steak. So I'm just going to take our meat. Put it on there. There's some really pretty lines going on. When you marinate it in your mixture of vinegar and baking soda, I typically leave it in for maybe about 20 minutes. Just even these up here. All right, now let's put this on top. I cut up some vegetables and got some baby arugula to dress it up once it's done. So because these T-bones are pretty thick, they'll be on here. I want them well done, so they'll be on here for maybe about 15 minutes. More exciting things to come. We're ready to dress it up. Now, we finished with our steak, and they have these beautiful char lines on them, as you can see. See if I can get it in there. All right. Gorgeous. There's not much to do here. I'm just going to take some baby arugula, just a little bit, spritz it right there, and a couple of sauteed shallots. Perfecto. It turned out lovely. I can't wait to try. Thank you so much for going on this journey with us. We greatly appreciate and honor your participation here because this is your channel. And these recipes that I give you are not the be-all, end-all. And you can just spice it up any way you want, as long as you're not substituting salt for sugar. All right, if you haven't done this already, make sure that you al dente the like button and ring that bell notification for great content to come. And as always, be kind, be caring. You never know, you could be entertaining an angel. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.